stuff it. First we're going to do the stuffing. So this is just 3 slices of bread mixed up in the NutriBullet. Put it in here. Got a tablespoon of butter. Put that in there. 1.5 teaspoons of mixed herbs. There. 2 tablespoons onions. Now we've got 3 slices of tinned peaches. 2, 3. I'm just going to munch all this up. Get in there with your hands. Munch it all up. You don't want it dry, so you need to have a bit of moisture in there, so the butter will do that. Bit of salt, probably 1/2 teaspoon. Great pepper. So this is just for 1 bird. If you want to do more than 1, you just got to double your mixture. And here we've got a tablespoon of juice from the tinned peaches. Down there. So my mixture is quite moist. So I'm going to put that aside. Right, we've got a bird. What you want to do is you want to cut the bum off, okay? So this is the breast. I've got the breastbone here. And you just want to cut the bum off because, let's face it, no one wants to eat poo. So we cut that out. In here in the breast you'll find the bone. So the top of the bone here, get in there. Then you just slice through. Alright. Now it's going to look like that. Alright. Now you want to take all of this out. Okay. So let's get in with your hands. So you get all of this content out. Now up there I can feel the heart. So you can use the heart and you can put it in your stuffing and stuff it in the bird, or you can put it to the side with maybe the liver if you want, and you can make a pate. But today we're going to put the heart back in the bird and we're going to cook it. That's what we're doing. Definitely a messy job, so you probably want to use some gloves if you're a bit squeamish. Pretty good. Right, so taking all the guts and contents out of there, I'm going to get the stuffing. Chuck that heart back in there. So put that in there. We're just going to push it up in our bird. Alright. All up in there. There we go. The bird's going to look like that. I'm going to get a skewer. You can use a bamboo skewer, a long one, or if you've got cotton, you can wrap cotton around it, but I find a skewer is just so much easier. If you don't have a metal one, just use the bamboo one. And you're just going to thread it through, alright? thread it through just to sort of hold the contents in there. The stuffing's kept in there. Quite like to put a wee bit of salt on the skin, just sort of helps crisp it up a bit. Good old crispy skin. We're going to get the bird. I'm going to go put it over into a roasting dish. Some people like to put it in a roasting bag to stop splatter, but just put it in a roasting dish with that. And there's enough fat in there so it's not going to stick. So there's plenty of fat in there that's going to come off that bird. Oven's on 180 on bake. And now we're going to put this in the oven for an hour. Alright, just pop it in there, forget about it for an hour. There we go. Until it's ready. So it's been an hour. We're just going to pull out our bird. Look at this. That's what she looks like. So you see how it's all golden? All the fat's already come off the bird, so it's not going to stick. Right, so that's sort of what we want. I'm just going to take it over here. Pull this together out. Just take the knife and put it right through the guts of it. Right. Through, right through the bird. So if you can't cut through with your knife, grab some scissors and then go from the back and just go right across the backbone there, right through, cut her up. There we go. On it, we're just going to go get a dish. Like that. Okay. There. See how that skin's all crisped up? Look at it. It's all the fat and salt, all those yummy juices. Now look at that, whānau. That is a fresh stuffed mutton bird with a glass of wine, and you're set. Enjoy. So a few tips to remember when doing a fresh mutton bird is always remove the bum, okay? Remove the bum. You don't want that. No one wants that. You want to cut from the breast down, and you want to open and remove all the guts, alright? Lungs, you want to remove all the guts. Get all that out of there. You don't want that. If you don't have a metal skewer, you can use a kebab stick. Now if you're going to use cotton, just wrap the cotton around like a needle and thread. You just want to hold the stuffing in the bird. You just want to hold the contents in there. And you can also roast it in a dish with a lid if you wish. It will take a wee bit longer to brown up and to crisp up, or you can have it in a dish without a lid, and that'll sort of crisp up and brown up a lot quicker, but it may make a bit of a mess in the oven if you're willing to clean it. But there you have it, fresh Hayz. Enjoy.